Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where your iPhone settings application, the application that looks like this, may actually be missing on your iPhone. Now, this is a very weird phenomenon, but there's a really easy fix to this. Essentially, some people out there, they actually prefer not having the settings icon on any of their home pages. So the only way to fix this is to pretty much, there's two different ways. What you want to do is you want to swipe down from the bottom and you want to go ahead and type in settings. So you want to type in settings like this, and you will see the settings application right there. So all you have to do is go ahead and click on the settings application, and when you do that, you will pretty much see that you have the settings app still on your iPhone somewhere. So if you're on iOS 13 or below, you may have it hidden in a folder, you may have it somewhere else. So what you want to do is you want to search through all your home pages, including all the folders, everywhere like that, and you want to pretty much find that application. It may be stuck in a folder, you may want to search for it. However, if you're on iOS 14 or newer, you may be in a position where your home screen, where your application is actually stored in the app library. So on iOS 14, 15, and the newer, softwares, if you go ahead and swipe all the way to the right side, so just like how I did it, you want to swipe all the way to the side here, you'll then be able to come here, and all you want to do is swipe down from the top. You'll get into this panel, and you just want to search for settings. So you can go ahead and keep scrolling through all the way down. Here is settings right here, and you can either open up settings to get into the settings page, or you can go ahead and grab that application just how you would normally would with any other app, and you can bring it up to any other page that you want to. So that's pretty much the process to do it. Then you can actually get multiple different apps if you want to. I don't know why you'd want to do that, but then you can go ahead and click here, click remove app, click remove from home screen, and that is pretty much how to find your settings for your iPhone in case they're missing from your device. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.